Hey there guys, before we get too deep on this video, I just have two quick remarks about this locomotive. Number one, first and foremost, this is a really cool engine, for what was essentially a $200 engine, then factor in shipping, great value, it runs like a watch, the lights are a fantastic step up for Atlas. We finally have separate headlight and number boards. The gyro light and emergency light are on separate functions, and they are nice and bright and work awesome. That said, though, there's one caveat, and I said it on the MP15. You're making great strides, Atlas, but please source out a better quality speaker, because the speakers in this locomotive, and this is the gold spec, was absolutely crap. Plain and simple, when I started up the locomotive, all I heard was garble and speaker crackling. It's essentially, I think the volumes are set too high for what it can take. On my locomotive, for what you're hearing in the video, I dumped the prime mover down on the lot programmer to about 74%, and I amped the horn up just a little bit. My recommendation is to source out either a Bowser dual cube, or a dual sugar cube speaker, or find a Scale Sound Systems Atlas generic speaker, or wait for him to do the U28CG by itself. I've got a feeling the generic speaker will work because it's either a 16x35 under the hood or a very cheap sugar cube enclosure. So that's the only caveat I've found. I mean, the weight's about standard for the course. It runs really good. And yeah, I'm really happy with this locomotive so far, and I really want a second one. One quick thing on the video. Yes, I know the Warbonnet U28CGs were a passenger spec locomotive, but I do not have a complete Santa Fe consist. So instead of towing around just two Santa Fe coaches, I said to heck with it, put a freight consist behind it as a little bit of an homage to what the old school train sets used to be, back when they do a Warbonnet Alco and slap it on a freight set. So we're going to have a little fun, cut it loose. Overall, like I said, good little engine, but I wanted to bring this to your attention. If you're looking to buy one of these, or get one and you're disappointed in that speaker quality, promise you, you're not alone. It's an awesome locomotive, but that speaker just is not doing it for me. So here's hoping we can get that fixed in future runs, but until then, guys, let's get this video started.